Hi, welcome to my shop again. This is another in the Tuesdays tips series. It's all about setting the tool rest in the right place. When you've got a gnarly old burl like this with lots of bulges and bumps and things, I set the tool rest so that it's right close to the largest bump, the biggest piece sticking out there. And when that goes by now, I can tell when I turn the speed of the lathe up that um, I'm on the balance point, so I can get the speed of the lathe up. Now, as those high spots go around, I can cut them cleanly because the air spaces are going around fast. It's all about getting the speed of the lathe up, and the tool rest helps me put my tool in the right position so that I can make a cut. Okay, so let's get the speed of the lathe up. We'll ramp it up. And sorry, I don't have audio. When I did this video, my mic was turned off by mistake, and so you can't hear this. But you would normally just hear a little tick, 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 or a of the wood going by. It's not a tunka tunka, and there's no vibration because I'm on the balance point. I get the speed of the lathe up, and I can make a pass here. So the lathe and the tool is doing all the work. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.